Welcome back to Luxury Baz Auto. The NWE 2026 Silverado vintage pickup is all about. Chevrolet has taken the soul of old school trucks and blended it with modern power, technology, and comfort. This is not just a truck, it's a statement for people who love heritage but still want next level performance on today's roads. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. One look at the 2026 Silverado vintage pickup and you instantly feel the retro vibe. The bold squared body, wide front grille, round-inspired LED headlamps, and strong shoulder lines remind you of classic Silverado pickups from decades ago. But don't get confused, this is not an old truck reborn, this is a modern machine wearing a vintage suit. Chrome accents are used tastefully, giving it a premium yet rugged feel, while the large alloy wheels with chunky tires clearly tell you this truck means business. From the side profile, the long hood and straight bed lines give it the timeless pickup stance. The designers have kept the proportions muscular, not overly aggressive, but solid and confident. At the rear, classic style tail lamps meet modern LED technology, and the Silverado badging proudly sits there, reminding everyone of Chevrolet's long pickup legacy. This truck looks equally good parked outside a farmhouse or cruising through city streets. Step inside, and the vintage story continues, but with a modern twist. The cabin of the 2026 Silverado vintage pickup is where old-school charm meets futuristic comfort. The dashboard design is inspired by classic trucks, with a horizontal layout and chunky controls, but everything feels premium and high-tech. You get soft touch materials, leather-wrapped seats with vintage stitching, and brushed metal accents that add a luxury touch. The steering wheel feels solid in hand, and behind it, you'll find a digital instrument cluster designed to look like classic analog dials. In the center, there's a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Yes, this vintage-looking truck is fully connected. Voice commands, navigation, Bluetooth, and a premium sound system make long drives enjoyable and stress-free. Comfort is a big focus here. The seats are wide and supportive, perfect for long highway journeys or rough rural roads. Rear passengers also get ample legroom, making this pickup practical not just for work, but also for family use. Chevrolet clearly wants this truck to appeal to lifestyle buyers, not just hardcore truck lovers. Now let's talk about what really matters in a pickup truck: power. The 2026 Silverado vintage pickup comes with multiple engine options, designed to suit different types of drivers. The base variant offers a refined turbocharged petrol engine that delivers smooth performance with good fuel efficiency. For those who crave more muscle, there's a powerful V8 option that brings back the true American pickup experience. The sound, the pull, the raw power, it's all there. But Chevrolet is also looking at the future. Rumors suggest a hybrid powertrain option, combining a petrol engine with an electric motor. This means better mileage, lower emissions, and instant torque. Perfect for drivers who want power without compromising on efficiency. The transmission is smooth and responsive, whether you're driving in the city or towing heavy loads on the highway. Speaking of capability, the Silverado vintage pickup is built on a strong chassis that can handle tough jobs with ease. High ground clearance, advanced suspension, and intelligent drive modes allow this truck to adapt to different terrains. Whether it's muddy village roads, sandy trails, or smooth highways, this pickup stays confident and stable. Towing capacity is impressive, making it ideal for work, travel trailers, or adventure gear. Safety is another area where the 2026 Silverado vintage pickup shines. Chevrolet has packed it with modern safety features to match global standards. Multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and electronic stability control come as standard. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking make driving safer and more relaxed. Even parking such a big truck feels easy, thanks to the 360-degree camera system and parking sensors. This is especially useful in crowded Indian cities where space is always a challenge. Chevrolet has clearly thought about real-world usage, not just showroom appeal. One of the most interesting things about this pickup is how it fits into the Indian mindset. Pickup trucks are slowly gaining popularity in India, not just as work vehicles but also as lifestyle machines. The 2026 Silverado vintage pickup perfectly fits this trend. It offers style, comfort, power, and practicality in one bold package. It's the kind of vehicle that stands out on the road and starts conversations wherever it goes. For enthusiasts, this truck is pure emotion. It brings back memories of classic pickups while offering all the modern features you expect in 2026. For young buyers, it's a cool, powerful vehicle that reflects personality and confidence. And for professionals, it's a reliable and capable machine that can handle both business and pleasure. In terms of pricing, while official numbers are not yet confirmed, the Silverado vintage pickup is expected to be positioned as a premium offering. It won't be cheap, but considering the design, power, and features, it promises solid value for money. If Chevrolet decides to bring this to markets like India officially, it could create a whole new segment of retro modern pickup trucks. To sum it up, the 2026 Silverado vintage pickup is not just about nostalgia, and it's not just about the future either. It's about balance, classic style combined with future power, old school attitude mixed with modern comfort, and rugged strength paired with smart technology. This truck proves that you don't have to choose between past and future. You can enjoy both in one powerful package. If you love vehicles with character, if you appreciate heritage but still want cutting-edge performance, then the 2026 Silverado vintage pickup is definitely a truck to watch. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's built to rule the roads with timeless style and unstoppable power.